What challenges do diaspora face with Greek inheritance? Imagine holding a piece of your family's history, but feeling unsure about how to claim or manage it. That's what many members of the Greek diaspora experience when dealing with inheritance issues. Let's explore what makes this process tricky and how it affects those living far from Greece. First, Greek inheritance laws are known for being quite detailed and complicated. They have recently changed to include digital registration of wills and transfer procedures through notaries. These reforms aim to make things faster, but they also mean heirs must understand new rules about spouse shares and how to compensate other heirs. Sometimes, legal advice is needed to navigate these changes smoothly. Handling inheritance in Greece involves a lot of paperwork and visits to government offices, notaries, and tax authorities. Missing documents or inconsistent records can cause delays. For those living abroad, language barriers add another layer of difficulty because all filings must be in Greek. Also, heirs need to appoint a tax representative in Greece to handle tax declarations and payments, which can be an extra step for many. Inheritance tax is unavoidable and depends on how close the relationship is to the deceased. Closer relatives pay lower rates, but the tax is based on the property's official, objective value, which can be higher than the market value. This sometimes results in higher than expected tax bills. Timely filing and paying these taxes are essential to avoid penalties and ensure the transfer of property goes through legally. Greek inherited property often involves multiple heirs, like siblings or extended family members. This shared ownership can cause disagreements about selling or maintaining the property. Resolving these disputes can take years without proper mediation or legal help, making the process even more complicated for diaspora members. Travel has traditionally been necessary for managing inheritance matters. Heirs might need to visit Greece for signing documents, attending court hearings, or meeting officials. Although recent digital systems allow many procedures to be handled online, some in-person steps still remain. This can be challenging for those living far away. Many heirs also face issues like missing or incomplete documentation. Old wills, destroyed records, or unclear property titles, especially in rural areas, make it hard to verify ownership. Finding and confirming these documents can take a lot of time and effort, especially for those not living close to the property. Finally, emotional factors play a big role. Connecting with family heritage, managing expectations among relatives, and deciding whether to keep or sell inherited property can be emotionally taxing. These personal feelings add another layer of difficulty to an already complex process. Understanding these challenges helps travelers and members of the Greek diaspora better prepare for inheritance matters. The recent digital reforms are making things easier, but patience and careful planning are still needed. Knowing what to expect can make the journey smoother and less stressful when dealing with Greek inheritance.